Hi everyone, this is Alex, and today's video will be about cryptocurrency named Grin. This one. Well, this is a really interesting cryptocurrency. It appears in January 2019. This is a new coin, and the thing that fascinates me about it is its adoption. Yes, its adoption. This coin, let's check coin market cap. Just look at this. This coin has 47 markets. And it's like 6 months old. 47 markets. Let's compare it to, let's say, Ethereum. And see here, Ethereum has 400 markets. Let's, for example, okay, and let's compare it, let's say, to, let's compare it to Neo, which is also a popular coin, and it has been around for some long time. Okay, so Neo has like 180 markets. So this coin that has been around for like 6 months is listed on the top exchanges. I'm not kidding. It's listed on, just let's see, it's listed on Hotbit, Poloniex, it's hard to get one, KuCoin, Bittrex, hit BTC. Okay, the only thing they are missing is Coinbase. So basically, this coin is adapting really fast. Okay, so at the moment it's like 488. It has a spark. Also, if you'll check up here in the charts, the market gap for this coin in February was $12 million. Today it's 63. So this coin has a huge capitalization at the moment compared to the moment it started. The thing that bothers me, why there is like no information on the web. There are some old videos on YouTube, and that's it. There is nothing new there. The people are not talking about it. And there is a fork that is upcoming July the 17th, the first update of the network. So, what do we know about Grin? The Grin is basically a private currency. We had those before, like Monero. But there is something about this project that makes me feel that this coin has a bright future. I just had a feeling, guys. Don't know why. So, if you have your opinion of where Grin can go in the next year or so, please share it in the comment section below. Also, I'll be putting the main markets. If you want to go and trade the Grin as well, you can see them below at the description. I will also be making a video about how can you start mining Grin. To mine Grin, you will need an NVIDIA GPU. You can also use AMD GPU, but they are not that effective as NVIDIA. So, please share your opinion about this coin, because there is something happening behind the scenes with this cryptocurrency. It's adapting fast, it's going up, and I don't see people talking about it. There should be something. Okay guys, so this is the thoughts I wanted to share with you about this cryptocurrency for now. I hope to get your comments on this crypto, and we'll see where it goes. But at the end, from my point of view, this coin is up for a big run. I think maybe $200 per coin, something like that. That's not a financial advice, so you should make your own decision, but I had a good feeling about this one. The same one I had about Ethereum 5 years ago. So, subscribe please to my video, hit that thumbs up, and I see you soon in the next video. Bye bye!